What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we got some things we got to do to the Mustang, and we have a part that came in from Extreme Online Store that we're going to be installing that I'm actually pretty excited to put on because I'm very curious to see how it's going to look on this car. So first we got to move the car to over here so we can install it, and then we'll get the install going. Alright y'all, as you guys can see, we have this huge box, literally probably 6'6". I'm 6'3", it's pretty high. But yeah, this is a big box. So we have a pretty cool part that's in here, so let's open it up for you guys. Today we're going to be transforming the rear end of this car with this GT500 diffuser that Extreme Online Store sent us out to try on. I'm pretty excited. I'm not really sure how it's going to look, but we're going to have to take off the Street Arrow diffuser, which I've liked. It's been on this car for a while now, but I did just run into that. But I did like this, so we're going to be changing it up a little bit though. Of course, we got our little helper out today. She's always helping out when we do our installs. But yeah, I'm not really sure how long this is going to take. I hope it doesn't take long because it is freaking hot in Florida. All we got to do is take off the Street Arrow diffuser, and then we could just put this one on. All right, to start this off, we got to take off the Street Arrow diffuser. So I can't really lift the car up on the jack because the car is too low to do that, and I don't have any pavers to drive it up on. So we're going to attempt to take out the screws with this thing just by, you know, sliding under there. So let's see how well this goes. All right, so I couldn't fit the drill underneath the car, so I had to put the car up on these pavers that I did find. Jack the car up a little bit, and now we should be able to get the drill underneath. All right, well guys, it's been a little bit, and I did get a piece of the diffuser off, but I realized it would be so much easier if I just take the whole bumper off. That way I could do all the screws and stuff easily on a table or something, because it is very hard to get these little screws that are way back there with this exhaust here. So I'm just gonna follow a video and take the whole back bumper off, and then it'll be so much easier. Okay, a little progress update. We took out the taillights, and that was not that hard to do actually, believe it or not. These are the big subwoofers that I had to get out of the way. So next up, we got to unclip some more stuff, and then we're taking the bumper off. So it looks like we've run into our first issue. So if you look right here, we have to get that bolt out, and this does not fit in there, so we can't do that. So what we need is a wobble socket, and we do not have a wobble socket, so I might have to go to the store and buy one. But I can't go to the store because I already took my taillights out of the car, and I'm not going to put my taillights back in just to go to the store and then come back and take them out. I don't feel like doing all that, so I'm just going to wait until I have another car so that I could drive to the store, buy the wobble socket, come back, and then continue. But until then, we're just probably going to clean up a little bit. All right, so we ended up taking the whole bumper off. We finally finished that part. We got the part we needed. It was definitely a little bit of a challenge, but it wasn't too crazy. But we got the whole bumper sitting right here. Now we're going to take off a few things and then add that diffuser, put it back on, and we'll be good to go. All right, so I finished the car. I put the bumper back on. Everything is all secured on the car now. We're parked up in a secret location, and I'm about to show you guys this diffuser. Dang, look at that. That looks crazy. Give you guys a little close up look at the bumper and the diffuser. This is the GT500 diffuser. I don't know. I think the other one, to be honest, looks more aggressive, but this one just looks more clean overall, if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree, if you guys like this one or the Street Arrow one better. I don't know. I think the other one's more aggressive, but then again, I think this one's looks more clean and not as riced out as you guys would say. I love just trying out different things in this car, giving it a different look once in a while, because I don't like to keep it the same for too long. That's why I change things up. Man, this car is just coming together though.